may be pretty, you may be smart. It is. It's on my Amazon storefront. I'm hell on heels, baby. I'm coming for you. I don't do jumping jacks. Even if someone asked me to do jumping jacks, I'd look at them and say, "Are you stupid?" I'd be like, "No." Even when classes do jumping jacks, I stand there and I go like this. I literally will just like refuse. For my hair highlight on my profile. I guess it looks fine, right? I hate this one. It does not. I literally just bought it and it sucks. The Day Hairspray. Gets the shade Stretch. We gotta go. Is the oil in my showcase? What oil? What oil? I did it to replace my engagement ring just because it's a little more small. That like I can switch in between. So it works. So it works.